Where are we going?
Frasassi caves.
We're gonna go see stalactites and stalagmites.
It's gonna be awesome.
Whoa!
We are stopping for a few seconds. A little bit frightened for a moment. Do you want to
Those are all stalactites and stalagmites. Crazy!
the castle? We can also see an example of column, which happens when creation called column. But
There's a very strong smell of sulfur.
I can't smell it, but yes.
Oh, Deanna's sick. She can't smell it. The humidity is at 98% here.
It's
2 more percent,
crazy.
and we would be underwater. That's true.
Yeah.
100% humidity,
It's
we would
water.
be underwater. It's
Yeah.
98% here. Feels fine. I don't know. It's like 60 degrees and 98%. This is called a polar bear because it kind of looks like a polar bear. That's water on the ground. Stalactites, stalagmites, connected. I forgot what they were called when they were connected, but no, it's pretty awesome.